Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss about a very important concept called reverse compounding. Now what is this reverse compounding? Today the Nifty is hovering around 17,600 and Sensex is around 59,000. So anybody or everybody who has invested in mutual funds or stocks should have now cautious approach going forward. What does it mean? It means that if you are long only, you must hedge your portfolio. Why? Because due to global uncertainty or due to geopolitical risk or maybe any reason, there can be a steep correction in the market. So what you will do? As we know, diversification only prevents certain loss. Otherwise, diversification is only useful to a certain extent. So how can you hedge your portfolio? Now, reverse compounding is what? Basically, in long only fund, suppose this is the point you earn when the market goes from A to B. You don't earn when the market is sideways or the market is coming down. Now what we are suggesting, you open a small account side by side along with your mutual fund portfolio or stocks portfolio. We are not going to touch it, we are not going to disturb it. What we are asking you is open a small account which will be opened with any national broker. And what we will do, if the market comes from B to A due to any reason in next 5 years, 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, you will be making lot of money while coming down. And for that you don't need very big amount, only 50k if you invest in a hedged portfolio. This will act not only as hedge, but it will also help you in generating monthly returns as and when the market is going to correct. And not only that, if you reinvest that money, whatever you have saved in your hedged portfolio, and reinvest into your original corpus, which means either in stocks or in mutual fund which has fallen hard, you can multiply your fund by 4x to 10x over the period of 20 years. As we know, in the stock market, in every 5 years there is a major sell-off. And in past 30 years, if you see, Nifty has corrected from 32% to 70%. And you cannot do anything if you are long in mutual funds. And what we are offering you, we are offering you defense portfolio. What is the defense? Defense is your hedged portfolio in which we will be buying puts in your account, which will prevent from any major sell-off in the market. And since this is a dedicated kind of approach, we are not concerned with what is happening in the long basis, but as and when the market will give us an opportunity to accumulate funds, we will be doing that. Just to cite you one example, today you will see one graph in as far as Dow Jones is concerned in the last 31 years, that if somebody has protected the 10 worst days, his amount would have grown by 7 times to 10 times. So it is equally important to remain invested, and it is equally important to hedge your portfolio to protect from the worst days which we may witness in coming days. Just to cite you one example, Mr. Ramdev Agrawal of Motilal Oswal, he invested 1 crore in 1990, which became 2,200 crore in this rally of 2021. There were 4 times the major sell-off happened in this portfolio. And we did a reverse calculation, and if he would have saved just 25% of the loss by way of buying puts, remember the puts were available right from 2001. So there were 3 major corrections from 2001, year 2000, then 2008 global financial crisis, then 2020 the corona fall. If he would have saved just 25% of the loss which happened to his portfolio and reinvested, do you know that his total amount of 2,200 crore would have been his original portfolio, and the side portfolio in which he has hedged his amount, that would have amounted to almost 8,800 crores. So 4x return is total, he would have been sitting on 11k crores if he would have been saving just 25% of his portfolio during the fall. So my suggestion is, if your portfolio is 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs or anything above that, please buy protection for your portfolio. You don't know what is going to happen in future, and by this way, not only you will grow your portfolio 4 times to 10 times of its original amount, what is going to happen without hedging, but you will also be able to generate very decent monthly income out of it if you don't want to reinvest it. Or if you reinvest, you can grow your portfolio either way. So myself Rajiv Gupta, I am a certified financial planner and equity research analyst and professional trader. We offer you dedicated kind of service where you can hedge this portfolio for next 10, 15, 20 years. What you have to do is to just give me a call on 975-429-2575. Book a webinar session with me. Email me at rhgcfp@gmail.com. We'll be quite happy to help you. Thank you, gentlemen.